66 million years ago, the dinosaurs ruled the Earth, until one day an asteroid as large as a city struck the Earth, which changed everything rapidly. That asteroid released more energy than 100 million nuclear bombs. As a result, tsunamis, wildfires, and global darkness followed. Nearly all life was wiped out. But could you survive? Today we are going to explore the ultimate survival guide. If the same disaster happens again, would you be a survivor? Imagine a world where dinosaurs were everywhere on the planet. It was full of life and diversity, with lush forests, vast oceans, and towering mountains. Then something terrifying occurred on one ordinary day. There was a gigantic asteroid that flew towards the Earth. The setting for the Earth's most catastrophic occurrence was now being laid by this deadly asteroid from space. Suddenly, a massive asteroid the size of a city appeared in the sky and hit the Earth with incredible force. The impact caused massive earthquakes, fires, and floods, which changed the planet dramatically and led to the extinction of many species. This wasn't just any impact, it was a huge disaster, releasing energy like over 100 million nuclear bombs. It created a crater over 90 miles wide, blasted debris into the sky, blocked out sunlight, and threw the planet into darkness. Even the dinosaurs, once the dominant creatures, couldn't do anything about it. In just a short time, the world they knew disappeared. The collision started fires, tsunamis, and a global winter, which caused many species to go extinct. It's a survival story. Could you have survived the dark, the freezing temperatures, and the chaos that comes with such a disaster? Imagine that same asteroid hurtling toward Earth today. With the clock ticking and only a few days left, your survival depends on quick thinking and decisive action. Can you prepare for impact, protect yourself from the disasters, and navigate the chaos that follows? The risks are immediate and severe, including shockwaves that can flatten cities, massive tsunamis towering over skyscrapers, and a firestorm that ignites the world. These are threats that could happen soon. There will be no sunlight, and temperatures will fall. Surviving this situation isn't just about where you live, it's about how prepared you are and how you handle these risks. Survival starts with your location. Being on the opposite side of the planet from the impact site is your best chance. However, distance alone isn't enough. Tropical islands can be ideal because they have moderate temperatures and access to fresh water. But be cautious, coastal areas might face huge tsunamis. The safest option is to find high ground near a freshwater source to protect yourself from both flooding and extreme weather. So, how do you choose? High ground near a freshwater source might just be your best choice. When the asteroid hits, every second counts. You'll first hear a massive sonic boom, and then you've got seconds to react. Find the deepest underground shelter you can, caves or specially built bunkers. These will protect you from the heat, shockwaves, and the deadly Tektite rain. If you're near the coast, move inland and up high to escape from the tsunamis. Once you're in a safe place, focus on long-term survival by gathering food, water, and medical supplies and preparing for the long darkness and harsh conditions that will follow. When the asteroid strikes, it will trigger tsunamis that can exceed 100 feet tall. Coastal areas will be severely damaged, with waves flooding land. Your safest move is to be far away from the coast. If you can't do that, quickly go to higher ground. Keep in mind that the initial wave is only the beginning. There might be several more waves in the following hours. Stay alert and keep to the high ground until you're certain it's safe to leave. Surviving the first impact is just the beginning. Once the asteroid strikes, the sky will become dark, the temperature will fall, and a global freeze will occur. Tropical islands could provide some shelter with less severe temperatures and surviving vegetation, but finding food will be difficult. Freshwater sources such as rivers and lakes will be essential for catching food, such as turtles, fish, and tiny creatures. You'll require a long-term supply of resources and the strength to endure intense cold and darkness to make it through. You've seen the risks and learned the tactics. But let's be honest, surviving an asteroid strike like the one at Chicxulub isn't just about knowing what to do. It's about whether you'd survive. Would you make the right decisions when under intense stress? Could you on how well you can adapt to a rapidly changing world? Now, it's your turn to decide. What would you do in the aftermath of an asteroid impact? Where would you go to stay safe? How would you find food and water? Could you survive the extreme conditions, or would you become just another chapter in Earth's history? Let's get the debate started. Share your thoughts, your strategies, and let's see who among us has what it takes to survive a killer asteroid. Surviving a deadly asteroid might seem impossible, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it could be done. People have overcome many challenges before, becoming stronger each time. The real question isn't just whether you could survive, but how you would handle the impact, the aftermath, and the tough conditions that follow. If you enjoyed this simple video of survival, don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and share this video with others who might find it interesting.